Question 6. What have you learned about technologies from the process of constructing this product? I've used many different new technologies, for example Photoshop and Quark and SLR cameras. But I would say that the main two for constructing my product would be Photoshop and Quark, as they've helped me produce my contents page, front cover and double page spread for my music magazine. They've made my magazine look more professional and more individual and also attract my target audience. The advantages of using Photoshop. I already had some experience of using Photoshop, but my knowledge has since been developed on this type of technology. I think that this particular software helped me to make my magazine look more believable and professional. I also think using Photoshop to produce my masthead made it look unique and attract the audience. I used effects such as drop shadow and bevel, which went towards my masthead, adding to my house style. The disadvantages of using Photoshop. I can't really find many negative points on Photoshop, as I believe that once you know how to use the technology, the effect on your work can make it look a lot better. However, I would say that some of the applications can be confusing, and this can make your work look less appealing if the knowledge on the software isn't correct. The advantages of using Quark. Again, I would say that Quark is very useful in getting the correct look for your magazine. The text boxes and boxes for photos make sure that your magazine fit correctly to the box, which makes it more accurate and look more professional. The disadvantages of using Quark. Similar to Photoshop, the software for Quark can be confusing and it takes lots of time to get used to, but overall I would say Photoshop and Quark are very useful and very good for producing magazines. I've used SLR cameras, which will be demonstrated on a Movie Maker video.